10. Laser Pecker. If you're into DIY and enjoy gifting personalized items to your friends and family, then this product is perfect for you. A smartphone-controlled compact engraver. This clever device operates smoothly on various materials such as leather, wood, fabric, cardboard, and even food. Weighing just 170 grams, it's incredibly portable. However, it does have some limitations. Unfortunately, it won't work on metal, glass, plastic, or stone. But don't worry. Its tripod mounting and compact size, measuring 6.6 by 6 centimeters, make it easy to transport. Additionally, it supports the most popular image formats, JPEG and PNG, and offers a maximum engraving size of 100 by 100 millimeters. Buyer reviews highlight its suitability for beginners, despite its slightly slow engraving speed. The price of this innovative gadget is approximately $400 for the LaserPecker 1 model, and the link is in the pinned comment. 9. Saker Multifunction Foldable Level. It's truly fascinating how a simple construction level, when made longer and foldable, can fetch a price tag of $44. Crafted from aluminum profile, ABS plastic, and thermoplastic rubber, this engineering marvel is born. Folding out from 15 centimeters to 71, and weighing 620 grams, it's equipped with 4 blue vials. According to the manufacturer, these vials provide a delightful experience for measuring and calibrating both indoor and outdoor tasks. The manufacturer's vision is clear: to provide simple and convenient tools. Do you believe this level will streamline work processes? Prepare to revolutionize the way you handle materials with this groundbreaking tool. The manufacturers proudly introduced the on-screen, an electric suction cup equipped with a vacuum pump and an intelligent internal system designed to captivate potential clients. All essential information is conveniently displayed on the digital screen. With a remarkable load capacity of 170 kilograms, you can effortlessly work with various materials such as metal, glass, ceramics, wood, and plastic. A fully charged battery provides enough power for 900 cycles or 90 minutes of continuous operation. Priced at $300, it's a worthy investment for such a versatile tool. Trusted by professionals worldwide, the on-screen has undergone rigorous testing to ensure its reliability and performance. 7. Kodak Step Printer. Kodak was founded by a bank clerk, and one of its initial publicity moves was selling $1 cameras. When customers ran out of film, they would send the cameras back to Kodak, where they would replace the film, print the photos from the first roll, and send everything back. Even today, the company continues to surprise people, such as with this mini printer that prints 5 by 8 centimeter photos directly from your smartphone. Even amateurs can easily edit them with the Kodak Step app. One charge is enough for 25 pictures, and the mini printer is resistant to moisture, stains, and tears. You can carry it in the back pockets of your jeans. The price is about $70. 6. Colax. The creators behind this Kickstarter endeavor unveiled some equally astonishing revelations. When the weather turns cold, it can be quite uncomfortable to use your phone or carry out essential tasks outdoors, as your hands may freeze. Enter this ingenious heating pad, designed to provide relief. It warms up in just 3 seconds and operates for 14 hours on a single charge. Offering 3 temperature settings, 37, 45, and 52 degrees Celsius, it provides customizable comfort. Remarkably, its insulation surpasses even natural goose down. Doubling as a bag, it boasts a special pocket for your smartphone, ensuring it stays cozy too. Weighing 720 grams and featuring a clever strap system, it's practical for various activities like fishing or hunting. Priced at $100, it's an investment in comfort and convenience. Introducing the Subminimal Nanom V2, a name that may seem lengthy, but its purpose is straightforward. This milk frother effortlessly crafts velvety foam for your cappuccinos, lattes, and other specialty drinks. Feel free to explore your artistic side with latte art creations. Unlike traditional steam frothers, it utilizes nanic screen technology to achieve perfect froth without steam. Compared to its predecessor, it boasts a 25% increase in power. In just 30 seconds, you'll have rich, uniform foam ready to elevate your coffee experience. Unleash your inner barista with this innovative tool priced at $49. The craze for fidget spinners shows no signs of slowing down, and now, there's a computer mouse that joins in on the spinning trend. Say hello to the OWASC 100, a vibrant addition to the world of fidget enthusiasts. This mouse comes equipped with a built-in backlight that offers 15 dazzling effects, adding a touch of excitement to your workspace. What's more, gamers can also enjoy the fun with its adjustable DPI of up to 4,800. At a price tag of $31, do you believe it's worth the investment? 3. Helical Mini Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. Tired of crumbs all over your desk? Meet the Hello Cool Vacuum Cleaner. Utilize your spare moments for a speedy cleanup session. With confidence, it takes on pet hair, sand, crumbs, and various types of debris. This device boasts an impressive runtime of up to 4 hours on a single charge. Not only is it effective, but it's also undeniably charming, with a design that might even remind you of WALL-E. At just $15, what better investment could you make? 2. Go Hang It. Trying to hang a picture with just tape? Introducing Go Hang It measuring can be a real hassle, but the creators of Go Hang It thought, why bother with all the trouble? Their innovative tool combines a level, hooks, and a pin for effortless marking. With Go Hang It, setting up your own art gallery becomes a breeze, saving you time and eliminating stress. Simply grab Go Hang It for $37 and simplify your decorating experience. 1. Cacnon Cordless Air Duster. When was the last time you tidied up the inside of your computer? Imagine if there are little critters living in there, just like in Agent K's closet from Men in Black. But don't fret, cleaning is made easy with this $34 gadget. It spins at speeds of up to 110,000 RPM and offers a choice of 5 nozzles. Simply press a button, and you're all set to clean. This handy tool features 3 speeds and even includes a built-in backlight for added convenience. After cleaning your computer, it can also be useful for inflating an airbed, yoga ball, or similar items.